Morning guys, I'm Adam. I've just finished lesson 22 of the Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. Before this, I suppose I was trading on lower time frames, trying to scalp stocks, Forex, all sorts, losing money. It's not been good, to be honest with you. This course has helped me because it's shown that you have to wait for good setups. Higher time frames are king, so you might only take 2 or 3 trades a month, but your profit will be more. My favourite parts of the course were the monthly and weekly support and resistance lines. They've helped me a lot. Fibonacci retracement tutorials were good. I've never used that before. Trending channels were good, and obviously the candlestick analysis is key to everything. I feel more confident in how to read and analyze price charts, and marking up the charts and putting them in the private student group. That's helped, and getting feedback from Saad has been amazing. So hopefully now I can get the demo account going and get cracking. Fingers crossed. Thank you very much.